back again this hairstyle for my daughter. So if you want to know how I do it, how I start the beautiful hairstyle, just watch the video till the end. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment, and also share. Thank you so much. So guys, as usual, I always spray my kids hair before I start making their hair. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut it round in the middle, yeah, like this. Then I will start patting it on how. So the most is that round part, and I'm going to be using two colors this hairstyle. So guys, I didn't want to make it too long, so that is why I had to like make some part before I start showing it. So this is how I pat it. First I have to pat it like, you know, because you know we are going. So I cut it first. When I pat it, then I have to pat that other one again. So this one is when I'm going to be taking it one after the other to cross it. I cut black Brazilian wool, and in case you don't have Brazilian, you have my wool, anything can do. Even you can even use thread if you want. It doesn't matter, it must not be Brazilian wool, but it's Brazilian wool I use. So I use just 2 strands, guys. So the reason I use 2 strands of wool is because, you know, I'm crossing the hair. So the way I'm crossing it, I'm not just putting hair in the beginning of the hair. I'm putting it inside the hair. So I decided to make it a bit tinier. So that is why I use 2 strands of wool. So like I always say, you can use how much the amount you want to use 2 strands or more. So it just depends, okay. The strands you decide to use or the strands I use is optional. So guys, this hair, we made this hair, and like I just want to travel it to another country entirely. Like that, so I'm making this video right now. This hair is already my daughter's hair. So, and people really like. The reason why they really like it is how I flash this color in it. They were wondering, like, I both black in this hair, because they were wondering how some people they just asked me, I put come out from the other side, how did I do it? So, and I try to explain to them, you know, if you don't know how to do this thing, you don't know how to do it. So guys, I'm so happy I just made this hairstyle for her, and I'll be creating more of like this. But please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified. You'll be the first to be notified whenever I have a new video. In this channel, guys, we do all about hair. Okay, I do my kids' hair and also my clients' hair. And okay, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys, for your endless support. I do appreciate you all. Like, bottom of my heart, I appreciate you for sharing my video, for giving me a thumbs up, and this video should like even YouTube automatically they will. So that is how to do that. They can't comment, and I'm not the one doing it, guys. So it's just the YouTube. When the kid's face show, you know, they will disable it. So guys, I hope you see the way I am taking. Once I apply the hair, I use the hair to cover it. So I will start threading the hair. So that is why you see this color showing, because of the way I did it. And yeah, to me, helping our kids' hair. It made their hair soft. It made their hair long. And whenever I lose my daughter's hair, I'm always happy that she's happy. Like she likes the way her hair look afterwards, because it softens your hair, you know. And cornrow is also good. It helps hair a lot to make your hair keep it flat. But this particular daughter that I'm making her hair now, she always have pain making her hair. So that's why I decided to make her threading more often to soften her hair. So if you want to like make hair and you have a that is always complaining about hair with hair, I think should be a good idea. So means make sure it's not tight. It's very tight. So I just don't want to like be stressing their hair every time. If I want to be making their hair every 2 to 3 days, I can. Yeah, but I just don't want to be stressing their head every time. Sit them down. It's great for kids to keep just be sitting down for a very long time. This the ending of the hair, I have to notice the way I'm taking it being two parts. So afterwards, I just try the last one. And I used two strands of till the end. I didn't maybe I used two, later I started using three. No, from beginning to the end. So when I finish the last one of the cotton, what I do is I just thread the hair. Okay, when I'm threading it, when I'm flogging it, when I flog it to the last one, then everything together, and then I will flog all of them together, like thread everything together. Then when I'm done, and I just cut out the excess thread, excess hole, leave two just to tie the hair. So I will use lighter, just burn the tip to cut, just to seal it, right? Just loose. After doing that, that is why you're seeing this edge now is roll. So that's when, okay, I just run it. It's very easy. Even if you don't know how to make it, make that. And done. I use those two remaining wool at the tip. Like I burn the other particular part, so I use the remaining two parts to tie the hair. But cut out the remaining wool, I have to tie. After tying it, cut it. Then before I use lighter to just cover the tip. So I roast, guys. As I said, if you don't know how to make it, you can make this hairstyle. You can make threading wool. Anybody can make this threading wool. Is it cornrow or braid or other kind? This one is very. So after you roll it to the end, so the tip to remain the two parts I took one back, I took one front, so that they will meet at the end. I tied it and I cut the excess and I bring it. So this middle I part it into four. So each one, which is each side, I cut it into.
Forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No. Till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down.
So I made it black. I was closing the hair. That's why you see it was kind of this color. So I tried when I was making when I was covering the hair, joining them together. That is when I do something about the color. I started joining two together, flog it, I thought I did it really difficult. The more I just flung it, I tried it for a little. I added little hard to it. That's how I added everything together. Color I made, I had just added everything. Then add the essence as you this. So why then face where bring it down like the hair, all the hair like this middle. She wants to press it down, she can press it down. If she wants raise it off, I can raise it off because I'm the one standing it for her. So I just want like she can switch it however she wants. When I was making it, I make sure I use my hand, create a space where I can either raise it or lower it. So that is why you see me raising it. You know, when I thread it, I raise it. When I thread it, I raise it to make sure it fall how I want it. So this is how I do it. So why take another color put at the middle? I take black, I took black, I do it, I get it colored again. This is how I finish it. I use it twice. The essence, I also left two. These two, the reason why I do is just for me to have something to tie it. So now I'll take it around the hair and tie it to where the hair. It doesn't matter, tie it where the ever end is why I tied it out. So you can raise it and bring it down how I want it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you.